discuss about the different sounds that birds make. Bird Sounds Part 1. So now let's see which of our winged friends we have here today. First we have is the magpie. And the sound that a magpie makes is called cha-cha. Next we have is parrot. The sounds that a parrot makes are squawk and talk. Then we have the songbird. The sounds that a songbird makes are chirrup, chirp, tweet, and sing. Then we have the linnet, and the sound that a linnet makes is chuckle. Then we have the crow. The sound that a crow makes is caw. Moving on to the next bird, we have the pigeon. The sound that a pigeon makes is coo. Now let's see which bird we have next on the list. We have the majestic peacock. The sounds that a peacock makes are scream, squawk, and honk. Then we have is the crane. Its sound is called clang. Moving on to another majestic bird, it's the eagle. The sound of eagle is screech. Now let's see who's there next on the list. We have the owl. The sounds that owls make are hoot and hiss, and for barred owls is caw. Then we have is the duck. The sound that the ducks make is quack. Moving on to the next bird, we have the swan. Its sounds are called cry, trumpet, and bugle. And the next bird we have is the hen. And the sounds that a hen makes are chuck, buck, chaw, and bagok. Then we have is the turkey. The sound that the turkey makes is bubble. And that brings us to the end of our topic for the day. Wasn't it fun learning about the sounds of different birds? Want to know more about animal sounds? We have just the right videos for you. Be sure to check out our other videos on other animal sounds. You can find the links in the description box below. Hope you have a great day ahead. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Peach, peanut, poppy.